Manufacture in China. Watch this video and save money.
We are a manufacturing services company, which means if you have a product or an OEM part that you need manufactured in China, that's exactly what we do. For most people, it's not possible to be in China throughout a manufacturing production run. So I and my staff provides the next best thing with clear and concise updates, including emails, audio, video conversations on Skype, and our team will often send video reports so you're intimately involved in every step.
Hello, my name is Cindy. I have been a project manager here at Sino Sales since 2003. I was the second staff member to join Sino Sales, to which we have 14 team members today. Lois and I am well equipped to handle your plastic, metal, wood, and technical projects from start to finish.
Hello, my name is Lois. I have been a project manager here in Sino Sales since 2007. Cindy and I know communication is vital to you during design and all the way through production and shipment.
Hey guys, Patrick. Hey Nancy. Hey guys. Hello David. Hey Ken. Hey JR. Hey Lorraine. Jahar. Hey Jackson. Hey Dotam. Hey Ken. Al. Hey Nancy. Hi guys. Hey Tom. Oh John. Hi guys. Hey Chuck. Hey JR. Hey David. Hey Rob. Hey Chris. Hi guys. Alright John. Patrick. Hi Donna. Dean. Hi guys. Hi Greg. Hey Tom.